Today I'm reviewing Butter by Dorian Renaud. It is a 3 product skin routine. And the first thing that I do is, of course, I use the facial wash to wash my face. As you can see, this consistency is of a type of a jelly. It's very clear. And in wet skin, you just apply. It lathers really well and easily. Um, this facial wash is unscented, so it is great for people with sensitive skin or who just do not like heavily scented products. And that means that both male and female will be, it'll be easy for guys to use this because it's not scented. There's not a floral scent or anything like that. Okay, and this is the moisturizer, and what I do is I just mix the serum, vitamin C serum, with my moisturizer, and I just apply. A little goes a long way. So I just drop a little bit into the moisturizing cream, and I just apply. As you can see, this product gets absorbed really quickly by the skin. It doesn't sit on top of the skin and you have to force it in or anything like that. And you just, it just leaves your skin feeling absolutely moisturized. I do find that it does have a red lavender scent to it, but that goes away quickly. It does not linger. As you can see, my skin is looking nice and clean and soft and supple. I really like this. It's light and it's just a great product. It's just being silly. I like to give myself a mini facelift sometimes. Yeah. So thumbs up for this. And once again, here is the routine. 3 products, very simple: a facial wash, a moisturizer, and a vitamin C serum that you can use every single day. Great job, Dorian.